The Draper 1500 watt wet and dry vacuum can be portable or it can be wall mounted to save valuable space. It's got a 7-metre flexible hose and a remote control facility, making it easy to use and easy to reach those less accessible places. The vacuum is supplied with a clip-on tool caddy with a good selection of attachments. This vacuum performs its tasks efficiently, whether sucking up wet or dry materials or when using its handy blower for drying. This is the perfect cleaning tool for any garage, workshop or home.